Hey guys, I'm E03 Beats and welcome to 2-minute mixing tip Tuesday. In today's video I want to show you how you can add more impact to your hooks by using just two simple techniques. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get into it. So for me it's really important, especially when mixing with just an MP3 beat, to create some sort of lift when the hook hits. That's pretty difficult to achieve with just the MP3. So in today's video I want to show you a cool technique that you can use to add just a touch of excitement to make your hook more impactful. So first let me play the track. I will play the transition between the verse and the hook. It sounds something like this. The technique I want to show you is pretty simple and pretty basic, and it involves automation on your master fader. So everything that I have in the session goes out to this master fader, and to add more impact, add a lift to the hook, you can just automate the level of the fader, so you can raise the hook just a touch so it hits a bit harder. You can also do a small volume dip right before the hook hits, just to create an even more impactful transition. And let's make an automation curve and be really gentle with it. For example, you can go just a half of dB. I know that it doesn't sound that much, but it makes a difference in how you perceive the hook. Let's make a small dip right before the hook, something like this. Another technique that I use for this purpose is by using inflator on the tubas and automating the effect knob. This is an amazing plugin that does the lifting things up really good. Let's put it in right mode and I will hit play, increase the effect, and then I can go and write the automation that I want. Now let's exaggerate the effect so we have a clear understanding of the effect that we're applying. Usually I keep it around 10-20%. Let's hear how it sounds like this. So these are two techniques that I use when mixing with just the MP3 beat when I need to lift up the hook. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.